There is a lady far away of the city. Blessed be the Lord God crucified, who died to save my soul. Here has been us, and we must have the victory. Trusting in His coming Son, our God is rescued. Remain not so we cannot tell what fate we have to bear, but we believe it was for us beyond the He has enough, and we must not be coming to trusting His redeeming blood, and joy is well to do. He died that we might be forgiven. He died to make us new, that we might go at last to heaven, saved by His precious blood. He has enough, and we must love Him to His redeeming blood.